yeah, so this is the hair.
Oh!
Hello, all you cool cats and kittens. It's your girl, 𝕻𝖊𝖉𝖎𝖆. Currently, I'm looking like LL Cool J, or Ludacris, or Bow Wow, whichever one you would want to prefer me as. That's alright. That's okay. Alright. So this is her. This is she. Her in the flesh, you know. My goodness, I can't even find the front because she's so tangled and matted. Yeah, so this is the hair.
Oh! He needs some milk!
It looks a mess. I'm not even gonna lie, it looks a mess. So let's just go ahead and get started because at this point, again, what is she not doing is giving. So here we are in the bathroom and I am just simply rinsing the hair a little bit, you know, at least to try to get some of the tangles out. It didn't really work, so I had to go in with some conditioner. Well, at first I attempted to detangle, but it didn't work, so I just decided to go ahead and condition and deep condition. I don't really ever shampoo my wigs. I just feel like it's a waste of shampoo unless like I'm putting 1001 products in the hair. If I didn't already say it, I'm going to link or list everything down below. So yeah, I don't remember everything off the top of my head. So yeah, I'm just attempting to, all you really have to do is just do like you would your hair, you know, put some conditioner in it, some deep conditioner. I really wanted to restore this hair because I've had this wig for about like since 2018 and that's really ridiculous. So yeah, so I'm just putting the deep conditioner all throughout the hair and we're just going to let it sit for 20 to 40 minutes. So excuse the camera shift and light, I don't know what happened, but yeah, I'm just going in and rinsing the hair, all of the deep condition out. And yeah, so I'm showing you guys where all the built up glue was, and that's the only part I took shampoo on, and I just like really scrubbed at it. Alright guys, so as you saw, we washed the hair. So this is her now. I feel like the deep conditioner definitely did help a lot. So yeah, we're just gonna brush her. I'm gonna let her air dry. I look so dumb. I'm gonna let her air dry for a little bit and then we'll be back 3 hours or so, and then I'll be back to like blow dry it. Ooh child, there's water on my back. Right, so how we're gonna do this, I'm gonna take the front few pieces because this is how I cut my hair when it was time to cut it. So we're just gonna take the front few pieces and we're going to put them in like this little knot thing. All right, so when I do my bobs, oh, don't forget to subscribe, period. Anyways, so when I do my bobs, I do the rubber band method of putting all of your hair besides the front pieces to the back. This is how I cut my real hair and it works. This was a little hard just because it was a lot more hair and I did not have shears. I didn't feel like looking for my shears. Please don't come for me, please. But what you're doing is you're literally just putting the ponytail in the back of the head and you're just cutting at a straight angle. When I did this, because the hair was so thick, it was kind of hard to cut straight. So it ended up being like an asymmetrical, but the next day I did go back in and even everything out because asymmetrical really isn't in. I mean, it's cute. It's cute, but it's not really my thing. Don't do what I'm doing where I took all the hair to one side. That's why that side ended up being longer, if you can see. And now what I'm doing, again, since I did a really bad job of cutting it, I'm just going in and trying to even everything out. I feel like that's really important when it comes to cutting your hair. I highly doubt that I'll ever wear this wig straight, so for me it's okay, but just make sure that you're cutting your wig straight if you decide to use this. And what, use shears. Don't do me. Don't be like me. Your girl is too impatient, and I really don't have a wig cap, and I wanted to see if I could improvise a wig cap. So I took a random shirt, and we are going to try and attempt to make this what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut the excess off of like what I don't want. I'm just gonna take this True Complexion by Black Radiance palette. It's a contour palette. I'm kind of scared to use the liquid foundation, even though I've seen people use that. But I'm just gonna take like the shade that is more show my complexion. And this is the part where I always like mess up with. So I'm just gonna push all this hair back, because literally this is where I always mess up at, and this is how it gets like all gross, because I never know how to like properly like lay a wig without like getting every which hair in it as well, and it's so annoying. We are going to take some mousse, take the 𝕻𝖊𝖆 and just put it all over, and making sure that I do not get this on my hair, mine or the wig's hair. So yeah, just make sure that you don't get any of the 𝕻𝖆𝖆 in your hair, because it's hard to get out. And now I'm just putting the wig over the glue. And you know, for this being a t-shirt instead of a wig cap, it didn't turn out too bad. I'm not mad at it. I'm really not. I'm not. So now I'm just making sure that I take my comb and I flatten the lace, and I decided to go to sleep, wrap my scarf around my little lace, and we're going to sleep. So yeah, see you in the morning. What I'm going to use today is more of the styling foam. I'm going to use the Mega Silk Olive Heat Protection Oil. Looks like this. And then to set like my hair, I'm going to use Got To Be glue. And I'm just going to set it to 355 just because it's not my hair. And I don't really need to set it like too high. So I'm going to start from the back just because it's easier for me to do it that way. So I learned how to curl hair from Brad Mondo. I love him to death. So basically, you know, just detangle the piece of hair, and literally you're only doing one. Well, I'm doing a couple passes because I didn't blow dry the hair, but literally all you're doing is turning the flat iron one time, and it just gives these like nice soft curls. Of course, if you want like really heavy curls, I would curl them like go turn it like a couple times. And yeah, and literally I'm just taking my hairspray, and I'm making sure that I spray the hair after I curl it, just so it doesn't really fall all the way, because this wig doesn't really hold curls that well. So again, I'm just turning the hair one time, and some of the hair pieces, you know, don't curl completely, so I have to go back. And yeah, so like this one, I had to go back in because this piece of hair would not curl for anything. Like it was really playing with me. So this is literally it. That was so simple, so easy. And I'm just spraying some of the got2b glue all over my hair. And now I'm taking some of that foam and I'm using it to flatten my hair piece. Well, flatten the hairs. What is it called? It's not called foam. You know what it is. I can't think of it. Styling foam, I guess. And now I'm just taking some of the got2b glue to kind of get make it set in place. And yeah. So guys, this is the finished hair, and honey, your girl is in love. I'm in love. I flicked it up. I've taken so many pictures with this wig. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram so you can see those pictures. But yeah, I'm like in love with this bob. It's actually making me really love lace fronts. So yeah, please subscribe because I do plan on doing more wig videos because this was fun. Like, I love it. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to see more videos, or if you have any wig suggestions that you want me to review, synthetic, human hair, just simply let me know in the comments down below. But before you even recommend something, you have to be subscribed to me. Duh. So yeah. All right. So guys, until next time, I love you all so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media. Bye.